All right, everybody. Jim King back out here with our King Pierce team in Kansas City, up off of North Oak Traffic Way. This is a 18 pier job, and they're going all the way around the house and on the interior garage wall. Inside the crawl space, we're installing the piers in there. I will walk around, crack in the foundation there. Very narrow footing, which isn't ideal. If they would build these footings instead of at the standard minimum of 2 feet wide, 8 inches thick, if they would build these footings 4 feet wide and 1 foot thick and use high strength concrete, a 4,000 pound mix, 100% cement, no fly ash mixed in with it, you can keep the 2 runs of number 4 rebar. But no houses, if they ever did settle it, you'd never notice it. It's when the footing right there, you can see a King Pier underneath the footing and wall. It's when the footing breaks, and sometimes you can't see a break in it, but it's in between the piers. When we come in here, our King Pier is designed, we gently raise that footing. The biggest raise we've had on a home would be, I think, Sean Kurtz out in Lee Summit. It was about a 5-inch raise. So, yeah. Now, we haven't raised anything yet. These are just in place. Welder came out today, Twilly Welding. Welded these right on site, the King Piers. Lots of dirt. This dirt is going to be replaced with 4,000 pound high strength concrete that I mentioned earlier in this video. All vibrated in around the King Pier. Hey, turn that off, will you? Turn that down. The radio. Yeah. All right, thank you. Here we go inside the crawl space. Got 2 piers going inside there too. Keeping it very neat and clean. You want a neat, clean job where we guarantee to raise the footings back to the correct level elevation? Call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Getting close to the end of the day here. Good view of it here on the back side, north side. State-of-the-art foundation piers, folks. This is the, I don't know, best pier on the planet. They've never let me down. And there's no comparison to the King Pier. The way we dig the holes, it's all copyrighted, has to be done a certain way. We don't have to hammer off any of the footing to put our pier system in like the other systems. If they would just build footings bigger, there'd be no need for piers. Until they do that, we're going to keep raising houses and making them level again. King Piers, Kansas City. Big pile of dirt here in the front yard. kingpiers.com.